Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in the previous video, we have learned the basic concepts and characteristics of dictionaries in Python, creating a dictionary, accessing dictionary values with different examples and some possible errors that can occur. So, continuing that part, today we are going to discuss about the rest of the topics about dictionaries in a great details. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. So, we have already learned about how to create a dictionary and accessing dictionary values in the previous tutorial. So, if you haven't yet watched it, you can watch that video first. The link will be given into the description below. Now, let's learn about how to update an existing dictionary and add values to it. Let's take an example dictionary here. Suppose I am creating a dictionary containing a person details like this. Person details equals, and inside curly braces, f name colon John, comma l name colon Doe. Let's print it. Print person details. Now suppose I want to add the age of the person in the same dictionary, then I can do it like this. Person details, and inside square bracket age equals 22. Now if I try to print it, print person details, you can see the age is added to it. So this way we can add new key values into an existing dictionary. Now we can add more information in the same way. Person details, and inside square brackets designation equals developer. Person details, inside square brackets skills equals, and this will be a list of values, that is Python, comma Java, comma JavaScript. Person details, inside square brackets hobby equals painting. You can see it looks similar to the way we used to access the values via keys. So the difference here is that we are just mentioning the keys and assigning a value to it. If the key is already existing in the dictionary, it will just update the value of it. But if the key does not exist in the dictionary, then it will add the key and then assign the corresponding value to it. So now let's try to update the value of age. Let's pause the video for a while and think yourself. So we can do it this way. Person details, inside square brackets age equals 25. So nothing different from the previous way here, because the key age is already existing in the dictionary, so the value is getting updated to 25. So now if I try to print the person details, print person details, you can see the later keys are getting added and the age value is updated with 25. So up to here, all the basic concepts of dictionaries in Python is covered. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about the dictionary methods with a lot of examples, so don't miss that video. That's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents for you. Hope to see you in my next videos. Till then, goodbye.